Hello visitors, welcome back to the Google Apps training tutorials by TechPlus Solutions. This is Ashwin once again, and in this video we are going to see how to import and view the calendars of the other users alongside with your calendar in the Google Calendar. First of all, if you just log in into your Google Calendar, you can see in the left down corner there is a thing called as other calendars. If you just click on it, you can see here there are several options, and the first one is add a co-worker's calendar. That is, if that is a worker working in your same organization as yours, then you can add that person's calendar. Otherwise you can browse some interesting calendars, and you can add a calendar by URL, and you can import the calendar, and you have some settings here. So first, if I just click on this first link, then you can give the email address of the person that you want to add as calendar. Like for example, I'll just give here, and click on the add thing. Well, if you can see here, you need to send a request to that particular person. Then if the person accepts your request, then you can have his calendar. So if I just click on this send request, then a request had been sent to this person, and if he accept, then I can view his calendar in my mail. So in this way you can access the other person's calendar. And coming to the second thing, the browse interesting calendars. If I click here, well, if I can see here, these are some popular calendars used by many people. So there are certain things like the holidays things and the sports calendar also. If you can see here, there are some sports available like cricket, basketball, etc. And if you can see here on the more thing, see there are some things like contacts birthdays and events, and day of the year, Hebrew calendar, phases of the moon. And for example, if I just click on this day of the year, if I just preview it, then it would look like this. Well, if you can see this, it appears as the same thing. So let me close it now. And if you can see here, there are more tools. You can add a coworker URL, input calendar, create and manage calendars, etc. And now if I just go to the sports again, if I just click on this cricket now, so if you can see here, even there are several options again, the IPL, Indian Premier League, and the ICC, and some more options here. So let me go back to my calendars. Well, in this way you can import some calendars, and if you want to add any calendar by URL, you can just give the URL if you have it. And if you want to import any calendar, you can import it from any external files. And if you go to this settings thing, see, I think we have already come to this particular page in the previous video. Here you can manage your calendar list, and if you can see here, the list of calendars that are currently in your page will be appeared here. That is, there are 4 calendars in my particular account. So if I can see here, we can also unsubscribe these calendars. That is, we can remove them. So let's go back here. So if I just go to the settings again, from this thing, click on settings, and if I click here, calendars, see, it's the same page again. So again, take to the same page. So there are several ways to manage your calendars, and in this way you need to import and export your calendars from your Gmail or any Google accounts. And you can even import the calendars from the other accounts other than your Google accounts like Microsoft Outlook. And also, if you're using an iPhone, you can use the iCall feature also along with your Gmail or Google calendars. And one more thing is that if you just click on this icon and go to the settings again, in the general tab, if you just move down, there is an option here, show weather based on my location. So the Google Calendar searches for your location and it displays the current weather conditions in your place. So it is currently on. So if I just go back and check it, see there is an icon here. This is the current weather in my place. So in this way you can change the display settings by your weather settings, and also you can import and export your calendars into the Google Calendar. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe channel and please like our videos. Thank you.